Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to publish your Wix website on Google. This is a crucial step if you want your site to actually show up in search results and reach potential visitors. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, open your browser and head over to the Wix website. Once you're there, log into your Wix account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard where you can manage all aspects of your website. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a navigation menu with various options. Look for Site and Mobile App and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with additional settings related to your website's configuration and mobile responsiveness. From the drop-down selection that appears, you'll be able to preview the current website settings you have in place. This is an important moment to double-check that you're working with the correct website, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website you want to publish and make searchable on Google. You don't want to accidentally publish the wrong site or one that's still in development. Once you've confirmed you're on the right website, locate the SEO and GEO option from the drop-down menu on your left navigation panel and click on it. This section is specifically designed to help you optimize your website for search engines and manage geographic settings. It's where all the magic happens when it comes to making your site visible to Google and other search engines. After clicking on SEO and GEO, scroll down through the page until you find the SEO Setup Checklist option and click on Continue. This checklist is incredibly helpful because it breaks down the entire process into manageable steps. You'll see 3 main steps, each with their corresponding essential tasks listed underneath. These tasks are designed to ensure that when you launch your website, it's complete, properly optimized, and ready to be discovered by people searching on Google. Simply work through each listed task one by one, completing everything that's required. Now, here's the most critical part. When you reach the 4th step, you'll see an option that says Allow indexing to make your homepage visible in search results. This is the single most important action you need to take. Toggle this option on to enable it. What this does is give search engines like Google permission to index your website, meaning they can crawl through your content and include it in their search results. Without this step enabled, your website will remain invisible to search engines no matter how well designed it is. After toggling on the indexing option, click on Apply and Publish. This finalizes all your changes and officially makes your website searchable on platforms like Google. You've now successfully set up your Wix website to appear in Google search results. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.